Good morning, students. Today I am starting with a new topic, which is kinetics of enzyme action. Enzyme kinetics can be studied in two parts: energy of activation and steady state enzyme kinetics. First of all, it is necessary to understand what is activation energy. Basically, it is the difference between reactants energy and transition states energy. If a molecule reach to the point or reach to the energy of transition state, it will definitely convert into product. Now it is necessary to understand what is transition state. In a chemical reaction, the transition state is the point where there is a maximum value of energy. Because of this maximum energy, transition state is quite unstable and readily break to give product. Here, enzyme helps to alter the low energy path to form enzyme substrate complex. That's why a reaction proceeds faster with the help of enzyme. So, enzyme helps in the formation of enzyme substrate complex by activating the reactant molecule. Next is steady state enzyme kinetics. According to Michaelis, rate of enzyme catalytic reaction depends on the initial concentration of enzyme. To prove that, here we take a reaction in which substrate react with enzyme and gives product plus enzyme. Mechanism state that it is divided into two parts. First one, when substrate react with enzyme and gives enzyme substrate complex. It is a reversible reaction in which K1 is the rate constant of forward reaction and K inverse is the constant of backward reaction. Second step is enzyme substrate complex gives product plus enzyme. Here K2 is the rate constant of forward reaction. Initial concentration of enzyme is denoted by E node. Concentration of enzyme at time t is denoted by capital E. Or you can say it is the difference between initial concentration of enzyme and enzyme substrate complex concentration. Now, according to the rate law, we take concentration of product with constant temperature. Here, product is obtained in second step. So, according to the rate law, we get equation number 2. Here we apply SSA, steady state approximation. By applying SSA, we get equation number 3. Here, positive term denotes production of enzyme substrate complex and negative term denotes consumption of enzyme substrate complex. Here we need E node in the term of reaction, so we put the value of capital E from equation number 1 to equation number 3 and we get equation number 4. By the help of equation number 4, we find out the concentration of enzyme substrate complex. By dividing both the numerator and denominator with K1S, we get equation number 5. By putting the value of equation number 5 into equation number 1, we get equation number 6. By plotting a graph between rate of reaction and concentration of substrate, we get a relationship. So it is quite clear that kinetics of enzyme catalytic reaction is depending upon the concentration of substrate.